Kubleshi fibro tentang anton solve a question paper jonga driver fireman kepada jong tahu senemi wanam so ngelapan slam itu giba day jonga neka paper driver fireman mar bang ayo slam ko nyekli oke to min sedang unta naga paper 1 English grammar and usage. For question 1 to 10 select the word opposite in meaning. Okay, kane ka bakala jengkeli mo. Kane hangne ka kade bandai same mo opposite kade kane ka bar kade same in meaning. Tekne ki bayo kane ka series la bandai jong ka series B te ki la ban check pito opposite ya kane ne opposite ya kane ka bakat we arpo kane ka ban kong kade same meaning mo. Same meaning. This is wrong for series B. For other series it is correct. Okay. Question number 1. Disembark. Correct answer is alight. D. Alight. Dedicate. Same meaning. Mean commit. Is D. Correct answer. Commit. Okay. Commit. And 3. Law is A. Statute. 3A. 4. Procedure. It is method. You have to yes, it is A. Method. 5. Reform. Destroy harmful. It is D. Correct. Charity mean contribution. C. 6A. Contribution. 6A. 7. Appoint. Same meaning appoint mean elect. So 7 it is B. Convict. It is this is a prisoner is a convict. Arrest this is detain. Same meaning detain. Arrest is detain. Okay. Number 10. Fraud. This is I think it is B. Fraud it is cheating. 10B is the correct answer. For our question 11-20 select the word opposite in meaning. Breach. Opposite in meaning breach. Agreement. Opposite ma breach mean it is the meaning of crack or something though, so it is agreement. Harmony. 12. Harmony it is A. Discord. Extort. 13. Extort is B. Offer. 14. Impersonate. Original. C. 14. C. 15. Misconduct. It is obedient. Opposite meaning misconduct. It is A. Obedient. 16. Intimidate is B. Comfort. 17. Summon it is banish. Yeah, D. Banish. 17 D. Banish. 18. Acquit exonerate free move, so D. Punish. 18 D. Punish. 19. Vandalism. 19. Vandalism it is C. Bill. Zenith it is I think it is D. Debt. Okay, that finish. Then 21 to 30. If you don't pull your sock up you'll fail your exam, so my correct answer is C. Your exam. Use comma to separate the name of city from a country. India, Meghalaya. Yeah. Comma. He passed his driving test with flying colors. And his flying colors. One is supposed to do one's. This is B. Correct answer. One's duty. A hail of bullets. Don't count your chicken. Number 26. Don't count your chicken before they hatch. D. Attach the book which the events of each day are recorded. Each day is a diary. Spelling is diary. D-I-A-R-Y, diary. 28. The police suspected foul play. This is play. The police saw him stealing and caught him red-handed because he saw him. Okay. D. Red-handed. 29 is D. Red-handed. This is the boy whose mother is a police. Okay, I'll see. 31 to 35. 31 to 35. Government of the people, for the people, and by the people. This is democracy. This is widely epidemic. This is pandemic. An official numbering of the population. This is C. Census. A collection of poem is D. Anthology. Building for the lodging and accommodation of soldiers is barrack. We used to call it barrack. 35 and 36. 36 to 40, I'm not sure, so I will not do this. 36 to 40. Then the number of that wrongly spelled word is the answer. Okay, wrongly spelled word. We have to check which is one is the wrongly spelled word. 41 is A, P-I-Q-E. The correct spelling is P-I-Q-U-E. 42, correct spelling, wrong spelling. 42 is B, palit. 43, wrong spelling is allusive. 43, C. 44. Okay, question number 44. The hang question number 44. I'll choose with D. So for you, you can check yourself. Either you choose R or you choose D. R is hesitation. Use as hesitation, meaning of R. So it's correct. ER. So for you, you have to check is correct or wrong. It's up to you. For me, it is correct answer is all correct. Okay. So 45, need, or D, all correct. So for me, as A is also correct, B is correct, and C is also correct. It's a verb of need. K-N-E-E-D, need. So I'll take this question as D as the correct answer. For you, it's up to you which one is correct. You can check. And 46. 46, we should respect our elders. Change into passive voice. 46. For this, I'll go with C. All elders should be respected by us. We should respect our elder. Our elder should be respected by us. 47, wrong question. Rick said bravo. Here the answer is okay. None of the above. Sorry. It is none of the above. Change in direct speed. It is none of the above. 47, D. 48, hardworking is the key to success. Footballer is popular among men. Pour water into the bucket. 50C, pour water into the bucket. Then part 2, arithmetic. 51, what percent of 95 is 19? 51 is C, 20%. 52, a car is running at a speed of 54 km per hour. How much time will it take to cover 600 meters? 52 is A, 40 seconds. 53, a car runs at a speed of 90 km per hour. What is the distance does it cover in 50 minutes? 53, it is 75 km. 54, 18 men take 20 days to find a job working 12 hours a day. 54, it is B, 32. 55, I'll go directly with the answer is B, 792. 56, The monthly income of Adrian, his wife, and his son is 10,000, 6,000, and 4,000 respectively. What is the average? The average is D, 6666.66. 57 is the sum of two numbers. 17, their product is 120. What is the larger number? Okay, for this question also it is wrong. Hangne là dimension 70 mà là khác nhiều, the sum of two numbers khác nhiều, thì nhiều plus chipeu long khác nhiều, thì hangne pada là shim chipeu ru là sum of two number 7 plus nhiều long khác nhiều, thì là product pada chipeu nhiều chipeu nhiều photo. This question is wrong, but maybe the question is wrong. What is the largest number? Maybe the question is wrong. It should be 10, but the product is 170, so question is wrong. Apakah jengkelisan punya? 58. I'll go direct with the correct answer. 58 is 2325. You have to use 58. You have to use simple interest first, then after that you'll use compound interest, then you'll minus, you'll get the gain. After 3 years you'll get the answer. 59. Which of the following is not a prime number? Unu ni kini umde prime number. So this question also is wrong, because A is prime number, C is a prime number. Which of this is not a prime number? So there are two choices, B and D. Is not a prime number, so wrong. If it says it is a prime number, so there is a prime number 23 and 27, but it said it is not a prime number, so 59 also is a wrong mistake. 60. 6 gardener with 6 mower mow 600 square of ground in 6 hours. I'll go directly with the answer. It is 9. 61. If the cost of 120 book is 1200, what will the cost of 5 books? I'll go directly with the answer. 61. It is 50. 5 books. 1 book is 10, so 5 to 10 is 50. In a class of 50 students, this also will go directly with the answer. The answer, I think, 150 students, 60% are boy, 40% are girls, so it's 60. Correct answer is 60. 60 is the correct answer. A college required 299 newspaper and a day. Totally, how many newspaper are required for a month of June and July? For this question also, my mistake. Number ba, if 299 a day for 1 day, so for the month 2 months, if you call it 2 months, 2 months, so 30 plus 31, so it is 61 day. 61 into 299, 61 into 299, it should come around 18,239. 18,239. So there is no 18,239, so this is wrong. You can calculate if it's correct or wrong. So this one for me is also wrong. 63 also is wrong. 64, correct answer is C. Directly, I'll go directly. 65, I'll go directly. It is D, none of the above. 66, a man walk for 8 kilometers and 1. This is, I'll go directly. B. B is the correct answer, 6 kilometers. 67, for this also I'm not sure, but I'll go directly with A, 30 days. I'm not sure, not sure. 68, product, you have to use cost price formula. This is 300. C. 69, you have to use average, so for this it is 69. Correct answer is 10. 70, the correct answer is D, none of the above, so the correct answer is 11, 6, 8 is the correct answer, so none of the above. D is the correct answer. 71, 71 is D is the correct answer, 101260. 72, in a school of 600 students, ratio, how many senior are there in the school? So 6 is 400. 72 is B. 73 this is D, 0 kilometer. 74 this is all direct. 8 to 8 64, so 80 so D is the correct answer. Find 75% of 1 lakh, so this also is B, 75,000. 75 B. Okay, now we'll go to the basic and elementary science. 26 A is the correct answer. Base protein are the building block of body. Choose the odd one out. So from this one I'll choose it the D is the correct answer, right aorta. Okay. 78 which disease is spread by the female anopheles mosquito? It is malaria. 79 which vitamin known as sunshine vitamin? So this is easy. So vitamin D. During photosynthesis, water is combined with carbon dioxide to produce glucose and oxygen. The highest grade of coal whose surface is shining and has the highest calorific value is anthracite. Usually school buses are painted in, this is yellow. The most abundant natural occurring gas is nitrogen, B nitrogen. 84 what are the renewable source of energy? All are the renewable source of energy, so occurrently received from nature. Okay, wind, solar, okay, all are all the above. The first metal used by men was copper. At the toll gate, dedicated lane are kept for, this is for emergency vehicle. The use of seat belt while driving is, for this one, ensure the occupant does not run away. No, reduce as it is the external stress. It is loss of loved one and something, so this is not for that. So the use of while driving is to D, none of the above. Rise of mercury in a barometer indicates fair weather. A, fair weather. Newton's third law, it is B. For every reaction there is one opposite reaction. 90. The most brightly colored part of a flower is C, corolla. Night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A. Choose the correct option. Common salt is for this I'll take as B. Both 1 and 2. Green leaf usually are rich in iron. Multicolored light commonly used in glow signs are filled with all of the above. Choose the correct option. Coal is a renewable source of energy. It's not a renewable, it's a non-renewable. So I'll take as only 2 is correct. Modification vehicle are usually not allowed due to. I'll take as all of the above, D, all of the above. Metal are, okay, I'll take as A or D, all of the above. A ship float on the surface of the water due to B, buoyant force. Red light in traffic signal means stop, C. The tube of tires are made up of rubbers, B. Okay, welcome to GK, general knowledge. Dinosaur bones are found in West Khasi Hills, C. The longest cave in India is Kremlet Pra. Peak in Meghalaya is A, Shillong Peak. Who is the incumbent chief information commissioner? State Information Commissioner of Meghalaya is H. Nongpolo, B. Meghalaya is also known as the abode of clouds, C. Siju Cave is in which district of Meghalaya? South Garo Hill, A. Terry Dam is located in the state of Uttarakhand, C. Dash is from confluence of the Ganj, Brahmaputra and Meghna River in the Bay of Bengal. This is correct answer is B, Sundarban. 108, then 109. The highest mountain above sea level in the world is C, Mount Everest. The capital state of Arunachal Pradesh is B, Itanagar. In India, house of the people is called B. Lok Sabha. Which of the following is not a fundamental right? So it is C. Right to property. Who composed national anthem of India? It's A. Rabindranath Tagore. Who coined the term drain of well? It is Dadabhai Naroji. C. Bengal 115. Bengal was partitioned on B. 16 October 1905. The standard time of time is B. Second. Which of these is reliable measure? A. Temperature. A device used to measure speed of a vehicle is A. Speedometer. The most commonly used bleaching agent is chlorine. Drug review system DRS. This is cricket. Who is the current CEO of Twitter? This is Parag Agarwal. C is the correct answer. Who has been appointed as the current Chief Justice of India? D. Honorable Mr. Justice N.V. Ramana. The red data book document are endangered species of animal, plant and fungi. D. The correct answer. Which central armed force are secured in Nepal and Bhutan boundary? SSB. D. Mission Indradhanush 3.0 is regarding as C. Vaccination for children and pregnant women. And then 126. Who is the first female tennis star, male tennis to win 21st Grand Slam? A. Rafael Nadal. 127. Meghalaya share an interstate boundary with which state? This is Assam. How many districts are there in Meghalaya? This is C. 12. How many Indian Reserve Battalion IRBN there in Meghalaya? 4. Professor Badab Linwar was conferred with national award. This is D. Padma Shri. District headquarters of Southwest Khasi Hill is B. Mau Korwat. The longest railway road in India is D. Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari. 133. Thar Desert is also known as the Great Indian Desert. 134. Two rivers which flows into the Arabian Sea, Narmada and Tapti. Munnar Hill Station is located in Kerala. Which of the following is a feature of Indian Constitution? All of the above. Which is the first British port in India? First British port in India, it is in Surat. D. When was Jana Gana Mana adopted as national anthem? 138. 24 January 1950. The first war of independence, also known as the Indian Rebellion, was fought in the year 1857. Which of the following is the largest moon of Titan? This also not sure. Maybe the question is wrong, or I don't know, because there is also Titan. This is also Titan. If the question is the largest moon of Saturn, so it is Titan, and if it says the largest after Titan, then it is Ganymede. A. Either A or D. Ganymede is largest after Titan. 141. The normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius. Which country will be hosting the FIFA World Cup 2022? It is D. Qatar. Okay. 143. Field thermometer is C. Mercury. A greenhouse gas that absorbs energy and maintains the Earth's atmosphere is carbon dioxide. 144D. 145. ISRO abbreviation is Indian Space Research Organization, which day in August marked the anniversary of the world first atomic bombing. 6. 147. Atacama Desert is located in which country? B. Chile. Which state has launched My Meg program? This is Meghalaya. The state day of Meghalaya is observed 21st January. Which is the largest milk producing country in the world? This is B. India. Okay, thank you. That's all.